Population aging is one of the main challenges of the 21st century. Caring for the elderly requires significant resources. Millions of people worldwide face age-related diseases, limited mobility, and dependence on external assistance. With the increasing proportion of older people in all countries, the prevalence of such age-related diseases as dementia, Parkinson's disease, osteoporosis, atherosclerosis, and arterial hypertension is growing.
Thanks, Pratap, for the wonderful introduction. And it's always fun participating in robotics competition. So it's for anyone looking to get hooked, get bitten by the bug. That's an easy way of doing that. But today I'm going to be talking about things other than robot competitions. I want to be talking about how can we deploy autonomous service mobile robots and in particular, keep them autonomous, right?
It is a system that must integrate robotics, biometrics, patient condition monitoring, and various biometric indicators.
From the outset, our project has specific design requirements because the end user, who has mobility issues, likely cares about how our device looks at first glance.
Requires comprehensive measures and international cooperation. It is a challenge for the entire healthcare system, the social welfare system,
and flow harmoniously. We incorporate certain aesthetic features to ensure our platform is visually striking.
It is a system that must integrate robotics, biometrics, patient condition monitoring, and various biometric indicators.